Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious chocolate drink. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need good quality cocoa powder, sugar, and milk. Using a premium cocoa makes a huge difference in the final taste, giving you that rich, deep chocolate flavor we all love. Precise measurements ensure a perfectly balanced sweetness and creaminess every time. Get ready for a delightful treat. Now, let's start mixing. In a small saucepan, combine your cocoa powder and sugar. Whisk them together thoroughly to break up any lumps. Then, gradually add just a small amount of milk, stirring constantly to form a smooth paste. This step is crucial for preventing a lumpy drink later on. Once smooth, place the saucepan over medium heat. Next, pour in the rest of your milk. Continue stirring gently but consistently as the mixture heats up. You want it to get nice and hot, but be careful not to let it boil, as this can affect the texture and flavor. Once it reaches your desired temperature, remove it from the heat. Pour your perfectly prepared chocolate drink into your favorite mug and savor every warm, comforting sip. Want to elevate your chocolate drink even further? A tiny pinch of salt can surprisingly enhance the chocolate flavor, making it even richer. For an extra special treat, top it with a dollop of whipped cream, some mini marshmallows, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your customized, delicious chocolate drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.